So the very good morning to again. This is your university. The most welcome to you, all of you. Your semester 2, your subject name is a mathematics 2 and your code is given on your screen. This is subject 09 capital MA 1102. This is your maths 2. And this is your scheme. You have a 2 theory and 2 tutorial in every week. 15 marks final exam. Mid exam is 13 marks. Rubrics 20. Viva term work both 50-50. Your full paper it's 150 marks. This is your unit number 1. It's taken from the algebra. In this chapter we will study like a polynomial, then addition, subtraction, how could we add and multiply, divide, and some identities. Then taking the two variable of polynomial, and how can we find these two unknown using some beautiful and extraordinary methods whose name is a graphical substitution, elimination, and the cross multiplication. Our aim to solve this 10 topic covered in the first unit. And it is a really very easy and very beautiful. Now to someone tell me, I'm audible to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So student, you don't need to write anything. I will provide you all the theory topic on your portal as well as Google Classroom. Okay, so don't need to write anything. Just understand what I am telling to you. अभी जितने भी बच्चे हैं वो खास ध्यान रखिए, उसको भी लिखना नहीं है, कुछ भी नहीं लिखना है. आपको लिखना सिर्फ ट्यूटोरियल में ही है. यह थियोरी में आप लोगों को आज प्रोवाइड कर दूंगी. आप वहां से आपके लेक्चर बुक में लिख लेना. अभी नहीं लिखना, अभी तो सिर्फ आप समझ लो. ओके, पर जब कोई क्वेश्चन बोलो तो पेन पेज लेके बैठना. You must have a pen and paste, but don't need to write at a time. I will provide you this theoretical lecture, your first lecture on your Google Classroom as well your portal. And today I will sharing to you a Google link remaining class. Okay, so don't worry. So first of all, the origin of the polynomial is, what is a polynomial? I think that many tutor will be discussed your faculty. Polynomial is a simple string. It have a many term. It's known as a polynomial, but real definition is, this is the definition. And I will take K. You don't need to write. I will provide all things. So polynomial is an algebraic expression. It has a many variable. Here we discuss the two type variable, one variable and two variable only. The must you remember, the power of the polynomial is always non-negative integer. जो खास याद क्या, so the student polynomial के लिए क्या याद रखना है, the power will be always non-negative. Power कोई भी हो ऐसा नहीं चलेगा. You must remember the power is taking from the W. What is the meaning of the non-negative? Look at here. You just remember all the thing. The non-negative, that's mean power is non-negative. That's mean you should have a power from the W. and W contain 0, 1, 2 up to infinite term, all the integer, and W is called whole set of whole number. So meaning of the non-negative is taking the 0 and greater than 0 all number, but they all are the integer form. वॉल नंबर में बच्चों आपको जो भी नंबर होगा, नॉन नेगेटिव का मीनिंग है आपको सभी पॉजिटिव नंबर लेने हैं इंक्लूडिंग 0. पावर यही होनी चाहिए. अगर ये पावर नहीं है पॉलिनोमियल के ऊपर, so you can't say the given term is a polynomial. So only just remember the one thing, power will be always non-negative. The second one, polynomial is just an expression look like a, if the any element whose power is from the whole number, it is known as an exponential also. Look at the variable, this is the x square, whose multiplication term is known as a coefficient. The last term, who have a no x variable, is known as a constant, and the x is known as a variable. Similarly, you have a second example of the polynomial. This is x is known as a variable. Y is also a variable. This is a two variable equation. Okay, it is a polynomial with a two variable, and the last term it has a no variable, that is constant. Constant is a one type of also polynomial. So look at the constant, that's mean it may be a contain of any positive, negative, or rational number. Variable, that's why like a x, y, z, anything. Exponential must be a taking from the 0, 1, 2, 3. Power कभी हर बार 0, 1, 2, 3 टेंस टू इनफाइनाइट से ली जाएगी. कांस्टेंट नंबर के जिसके पास कोई वेरिएबल नहीं होगा, और वेरिएबल आप कुछ भी ले सकते हो, x, y, z डिपेंड ऑन द क्वेश्चन. ये सब कुछ आई थिंक आपके ट्यूटोरियल में हो ही गया है, बस आपको लिखना है अब थियोरी की बुक में. जैसे यहाँ लिखा है उसी टाइप से आपकी थियोरी की बुक में होना चाहिए. Okay, something. Now some example of the polynomial. This is the example of the finite polynomial. Finite का meaning क्या है? What is the meaning of the finite? It has end term. भाई आप कुछ countable term हो तो आप कह सकते हैं this is the finite. The given term is not a number of term. It is infinite. It is not a countable. It is known as a infinite polynomial. So there are some example. Look at the all four examples satisfy the condition of the polynomial. सभी example है वो polynomial की condition satisfied कर रहे हैं. Look at the first example. This is a polynomial because it has a constant term, then the power is positive, so it is a polynomial. Second, again the both term have a power positive. So again, you can say this is the polynomial. Again, this is the polynomial, and x6 it is x raised to 0 power. So these four are the polynomial. Why it's a polynomial we discuss in the tutorial. The second one, the second most beautiful definition, it is a degree of the polynomial. अब आपको पूछे कि भाई polynomial तो आपने समझ लिया, तो polynomials की डिग्री क्या है? You just pick up the any polynomial and highest power of the given variable is known as the degree. अगर आपके पास कोई polynomial given होगा और आपको देखना है कि भाई वो string में सब कौन सी वेरिएबल की पावर सबसे ज्यादा है, उस पावर को आप बोलेंगे डिग्री. 1 marks MCQ, you gave the some polynomial expression and they ask to you what is the degree of the polynomial. You just write the highest power of the given string. भाई वेरिएबल की जो भी हाईएस्ट पावर होगी वो होगी आपकी डिग्री. So I give you one first definition is a polynomial, second is a definition of the degree of polynomial. Degree of polynomial, that's meant the highest power of the given polynomial. Look at, let's take some more example to understand the degree of polynomial. You can find the degree of polynomial. This is the first example. This is the polynomial. And polynomial always looking like a P of X, Q of X, and anything number. Here is simple string. So look at, this is the polynomial, and they will ask you like a given polynomial, what is the degree of the polynomial? So let's start. Answer. Your polynomial is, this is 3x square, sorry, 3x cube of 4x square minus 9. This is the polynomial. So you are able to find the degree of polynomial. And the definition said the degree of polynomial, that is the highest, largest exponential power. In simple word, you can say the highest power of the given variable. So what is the highest power of this variable? This polynomial have?
3.
Anyone? 3, right. This is the highest power of the given polynomial. Hence, the degree of the polynomial is 3. Now the second question, look at on your screen, all the student please. देखो भाई second question, इसी में आपको डिग्री भी फाइंड करनी है. I give you the one polynomial. What is the degree?
10.
All understand?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. The highest power of the polynomial, and the highest power is the 10. So degree of the polynomial is 10. It's 10. Okay, now you able, I give you the 2 more example and you just tell me the what is the degree of the given polynomial. Okay. And student, you don't need to write, I provide all the thing. You just understand in this theory lecture. Let's take some more example and you can tell me the what is the degree of the polynomial is. My third number question, I should provide you the one polynomial like this. 2x square, 5x raised to 4, 3x raised to 6, plus 9. Find the degree of polynomial. And the fourth number is so the both question on your screen. Could you tell me the degree of the polynomial 3 and 4 both?
Ma'am, answer of third is 6.
Right? Answer of third is 6. Very good. The degree of polynomial is degree is 3. Sorry, not a 3, it's a 6. Now, what about the fourth?
10.
Okay, someone said 10. Okay, I write. And
Ma'am.
anyone have objection, then tell me.
આ રૂટમાં છે તો એ પોલિનોમિયલ થોડું કહેવાય.
Right, right. Look at student. This is the not a polynomial. If you have a no polynomial, how could you find the degree of the polynomial? So here the degree is not exist. Why? Because the given term, it is not a polynomial. So don't forget and don't need to hurry. Okay, the given term is not a polynomial.
મેમ
Hmm?
ટુ વેરિયેબલમાં આ ડિગ્રી શોધી શકાય?
Yes, I will tell you. अब जब टू वेरिएबल का चलेगा ना तब करवाओ तो चलेगा, बिकॉज अदरवाइज कंफ्यूज हो जाओगे.
Okay.
Okay, when you have x y z variable, so how could you find by taking the addition? Okay, so वो सब कुछ रूल है एक्सपोनेंशियल, तो तब करेंगे. The given expression is not a polynomial, hence you are not able to find the degree. So degree is not exist. So the student clear? First of all, you focus the given term is a polynomial, then you are able to find the degree. If the given string is not a given expression is not a polynomial, so degree का तो सवाल ही नहीं होता. तो बच्चों स्पीड मत करना, you just focus the question पे क्या बोला है, पे satisfied कर रही है condition, then you go to take the second step, otherwise not. So 3 and 4 understand? Anyone have a question about the 3 and 4? When we find the degree and when the degree is not exist. Clear? So let's take the one next point of the polynomial. So this is the degree and the highest power is known as the degree. Now look at the someone ask you also find the leading coefficient. Leading coefficient, that's mean you have a highest degree, which coefficient is known as a leading coefficient. What is the meaning of the leading coefficient? A variable, a polynomial which has the highest power, that coefficient is known as a leading coefficient. बच्चों leading coefficient किसको कहते हैं कि अगर आपके पास कोई x वेरिएबल है जिसकी सबसे हाईएस्ट पावर है और उसके प्रोडक्ट में जो भी नंबर है उसको हम बोलेंगे leading coefficient. So 1 marks MCQ, it's from it also. This is the only, I will give you only one example, not more. Okay, this is a polynomial, so don't need to worry. So the question is, you have a polynomial. Okay, this is the polynomial, so don't worry. You can find the degree of the polynomial, and you can also tell the leading coefficient of the polynomial. Leading coefficient का meaning है कि जो highest power है उसके product में जो भी numbers हो उसको हम बोलते हैं leading coefficient. Okay, the meaning of the leading coefficient is the variable which have a highest power, that constant, sorry, that's coefficient is known as a leading coefficient. So first of all, tell me the power, tell me the degree. Anyone have idea what is the degree?
Four, madam.
Right? It is a 4 because the highest power of the given polynomial, this is the 4. So we decide the degree is 4. Now, what is the leading coefficient?
9.
Someone say 9. But look at the 9. 9 have a
Hey,
sign. So taking their sign also, बच्चों इसके sign भी लेनी है. Okay, and this is minus 9. If it is possible, so don't need to write. But it is a minus sign, so put their sign also. So here the leading coefficient is a minus 9. Okay. Clear? Any doubt? Then tell me. ये तो सिर्फ आपको बताया लीडिंग कोफिशिएंट की कोई डेफिनेशन नहीं होती, बस इसको आइडेंटिफाई करना है. So let's take one more example. ये सब कुछ आपको लिखना है. Lilu said, Madam, why is the 9? Okay. So student, look at here. This is the comparing. The leading term, that's mean the first highest power term. A leading coefficient, that's mean that highest power multiplication term, that is leading coefficient. So look at this string. This is the highest power is 3. And that multiplication term, in this multiplication 2. So 2 is a leading coefficient. And in this question, the highest power is 4. So its degree is 4. And this power product term is its coefficient is a minus 9. For that, leading coefficient is a minus 9. Okay? Okay. First of all, if you have any confusion, so just write your polynomial in the ascending order or descending order in your choice. So first of all, I will start with the highest power. Then again, I putting the lowest power. So now it is easy to find. This is the highest power. And your highest power is 4. And their leading coefficient is minus 9. Clear, student? Okay, understand? Okay, okay, good. Now let's move on the next type of the polynomial, and that is right. Our next topic is type of the polynomial, and this type of the polynomial depend on the term. How many term in this polynomial? Term, that's means, look at, this is called the term. This is the first term. Okay, this is your first term. This is your second term, and this is your last term. So this polynomial depend on the term. How many term on this polynomial? Let's look at. Type of the polynomial, it's a three type, and this is a monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Now first we say what is the meaning, and this type of polynomial depend on the term. Look at the screen. And look at the example. The monomial, that's mean it has only one term, only single numbers. Single thing, it's called the monomial. If the polynomial have a two term, it is connected with the addition, subtraction, it's given term. If it is a two term, that is called the binomial. And the given term, given polynomial have a three term. Look at your screen, 1, 2, and 3. So it is known as a trinomial. I'll give you the one example. The monomial, that's when you have a cycle, and this is a one, only one wheel. It's indicate that's a one term. It is a monomial. It is known as a monocycle also. Bicycle, we know it is a two wheel. It is connected with a binomial polynomial, and the tricycle, the who handicapped person use. It is a trinomial, is from connected with a three term and is known as a trinomial. तो क्या ध्यान रखना है, ये पॉलिनोमियल के जो टाइप्स है वो उसके कितने अंदर टर्म होते हैं उसके ऊपर डिपेंड है. अगर एक टर्म है गिवन पॉलिनोमियल तो इसको मोनोमियल बोलते हैं. अगर दो टर्म है तो बाइनोमियल बोलते हैं. तीन टर्म है तो ट्राइनोमियल बोलते हैं. अब उसकी डेफिनेशन देते हैं. अगर आपको देखना है तो कैसे इसको आइडेंटिफाई करें उसके लिए पहले समझा दिया. अब इसके एग्जांपल्स और इसकी डेफिनेशन. So look at, just take the review, not a definition. Binomial, that's mean it has only one term. If you have a two term, you can say the given term, given is a polynomial, is a binomial. If you have a three term, so you are saying the given polynomial is a trinomial. Okay. Now look at the definition. Monomial, that is contain the one non-zero term. It's known as a monomial. And there are some example of the monomial and non-monomial. The term, the polynomial have only single numbers, single term, it's known as a monomial. यहाँ देखो भाई बच्चों, आपके पास दो एग्जाम्पल है. कोई बच्चा को इस क्वेश्चन में डाउट है? Anyone have a doubt? This is a type of the monomial and it is a non-monomial. The first have a two term. For that you can't say it is a monomial. It is not a polynomial. Look at x, 1 upon y, and y is the power 1. So it is written y raised to minus 1. Hence it is not a polynomial. If the polynomial is not arrived, so they need to say anything about the polynomial. And again, this term have a two numbers, two term. So it is again not a polynomial. So this is the definition of the monomial. Monomial means it has only one non-zero term. So let's move on the second definition. A term is known as contain only one non-zero term is known as a monomial. Anyone say the second definition in your word? चलो पहले की definition है monomial की कि polynomial it's contain only one non-zero term. It is a monomial. तो बच्चों आप में से कोई binomial की definition बता सकता है? Anyone can say the binomial definition?
A term with only two non-zero term.
Right, a term with only two non-zero term. It's known as a binomial. And the trinomial?
A term with only three.
Right, a polynomial which have only three non-zero term. It's known as a trinomial. So this they are the definition also. देखो ये भी वही definition है binomial that's contain the two non-zero term. Look at some example. There are some example of the polynomial. And it has a two term. Similarly, contain the three non-zero term. It's not a trinomial. And there are the three term. There are some examples for your reference. And the question arising, the one question. Now, I think you understand the definition. Now you tell me the answer of the one question. I write the one question on your screen. Just tell me. Look at the example carefully. And the one question from you. Look at. This is your first question. Understand the three type of polynomial, binomial, monomial, and trinomial. You can tell me the given term, given question is which type of polynomial is. So your question is on your screen. Identify the polynomial. Yes, Soham, any question?
No, ma'am.
Okay. On the basis of number of term. Now tell me, okay, I give you the one-to-one example and tell me their name. The first one. A second one. The third one. Fourth one. Okay. Now tell me the 1, 2, 3, 4 answer, and this question is based on the term. And the
And
polynomial
first
will
is binomial.
okay.
Second
All
is
should
3.
okay. Second is 3, right? 1 second. First is a
Third is monomial.
yes, good. 1 second. Well, so first is binomial, second is trinomial. Third one, who said?
Monomial.
It is a monomial, right? Number 4.
Binomial.
Okay, it's a binomial.
Fifth also binomial.
Okay, fifth also binomial, right?
Sixth also binomial.
Seven
Okay,
mono.
it's binomial.
Mono.
7 is a monomial. Yes,
Also monomial.
Mono.
it's a monomial. Okay, clear this definition?
Madam,
Which
ત્રીજું
is-
કાંઈક સમજાવો.
Which is depend on the
Madam,
third? Yes,
હા,
yes,
third નું કાંઈક સમજાવો તા.
yes.
ઈ
Third
કેમ
નું?
mono.
Third, okay, this third question. Yes, these 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, these 3. It is only one term and 1/9 is the numbers. ખાલી એક જ ટર્મ હોય ને ત્યારે આપણે એને કહેશું મોનોમિયલ. અહીંયા એક જ ટર્મ છે 9 is a 9. XYZ એવું બીજું નથી. 9 is a constant number. Constant તો આપણે અંશ છેદમાં ચાલે. સમજાઈ ગયું?
હા મેડમ સમજાઈ ગયું.
મેમ
સમજાઈ ગયું? આ રિયલમાં આ રીતે લખેલું છે. It's a 1/9 x square.
x upon y
Okay.
હોય તો
No, x and y are variable. These are the variable. And variable, I told you, variable have a power is from the x and y both belongs to W. If they both are from the W, so you can say, but here the y have a power, look at -1 and -1 does not belongs to W. For that you can't say this is the polynomial. Variable a constant like 1, 2, 3, 4 any numbers. Variable that's mean x, y, z anything. તો આપણે પાવર વેરિયેબલ ની જોવાની, નંબર્સ ની નહીં. નંબર ભલે ગમે હોય, પોઝિટિવ નંબર, નેગેટિવ, રેશનલ, ઇરેશનલ, એનીથિંગ. બટ આપણે પાવર્સ યુ જસ્ટ ફોકસ ઓન ધ પાવર ઓફ વેરિયેબલ. ક્લિયર સ્ટુડન્ટ? એની ડાઉટ? યુ કેન આસ્ક મી ફ્રેન્ડલી. સમજાઈ ગયું એક્સ વાય ની કેમ વાત કરી? અહીંયા જોવો બધા. Look at every question. This is as a single term. So it is a monomial. This contains the 2 terms. So it is a binomial. And it contains the 3 terms. For that you can say this is the trinomial. And look at the all variable have a power from the W. X has a power 2, Y has a power 1. Here same on. ABC both have a power positive, belongs to W. Understood? જેને ક્વેશ્ચન કર્યો પછી એને સમજાણું હોય તો હા ના બોલવાનું.
હા મેડમ સમજાઈ ગયું.
Okay. Now the next type. Now we can discuss the polynomial in one variable. Yeah, 2 variable it's not, but the type depend on the degrees. And the degree that's mean the highest power. Okay, there is some example. First of all, this is the 2. It has a no degree. That is the degree is 0. For that we can say it is a constant variable, constant polynomial. If the given term have a degree 1, it's known as a linear polynomial. If the degree is highest degree is 2, it's known as a quadratic polynomial. If the degree is highest is 3, it's known as a cubic polynomial. Let's take their definition. So first of all, this is the constant polynomial. Why? This polynomial have a degree 0. Why it's 0? Look at here. It is x. And I can put the x variable is look like this. And we know x raised to 0 is always 1. For that we can say the polynomial. It's 8 into 1, that is 8. So this 8 is a constant polynomial. Why? Its degree is 0. Its highest degree is 0, then you can say the polynomial is a constant. Similarly, another example, बच्चों x की 0 पावर है ना, वो हमें कभी दिखाते नहीं है, सिर्फ लिख लेते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग अपने आप से रखते हैं कि x की 0 पावर 1 होता है, तो कभी भी कांस्टेंट में हम x की 0 पावर नहीं लिखते. बट x वेरिएबल वहां प्रेजेंट होता है, बट 0 के फॉर्म में. अब x की 0 पावर तो 1 ही होगी, इसलिए x की 0 पावर लिखते नहीं है लास्ट टर्म में. When you have a degree of x variable is 0, then you can say the given term is a constant polynomial. So these are the polynomial also. भाई आपको एक अगर नंबर गिवन है, so you can say this is the polynomial. Okay, and this polynomial known as a constant polynomial. The second type, first we discuss about the term, depend on the term and their names. Now we check depend on the degree and their name. When the degree is 0, it's known as a constant. When the degree is 1, it's called the linear polynomial.
મેમ થોડુંક પાછળ કરજો ને, હું ડિસ્કનેક્ટ થઈ ગયો, તમારો નેટવર્ક ઇશ્યુ હશે. હજી ઓલું x upon y વાળું પહોંચ્યા હતા.
हाँ तो बस वीडियो देख लेना. ओके
ઓકે
ओके, वीडियो में भेज रही हूँ ना, वो देख लेना.
ઓકે.
So constant polynomial, that's mean degree is 0. This is the linear polynomial, that's mean whose degree is 1. Anyone give me the example of the linear polynomial? आप में से कोई linear polynomial का example मुझे दे सकता है? कुछ भी, your choice. Anyone say?
8x.
8x, okay. 8x, right? Whose degree is 1? It's called the linear polynomial. These polynomials depend on the power. Okay, for that we can say depend on the degree. For that you can say it is linear polynomial. Anyone others? कोई दूसरा एग्जाम्पल दे सकता है तुम लोग? I will give you. The 5x minus 9. Look at this polynomial whose degree is 1. It's known as a linear polynomial. Anyone others? Like a x by 3 plus 5. This is also a linear polynomial. Why? Every term is every polynomial whose highest degree is 1. ये सबकी डिग्री देख लो, highest 1 है. For that you can say it is a linear polynomial. Right, 10x plus 3, very good. Yes, very good. This 10x plus 3 also a linear polynomial. You can take the infinite number of the example for the linear polynomial. Okay, because this is must remember this depend on the degrees. This term depend on the degree, not a term. Now, next definition. Look at the second definition. This is the quadratic polynomial and whose degree is 2. Degree 2, that's mean the polynomial highest power is 2. So it is known as a quadratic polynomial. Now tell me the example. चलो बच्चों कोई भाई एग्जाम्पल लिखवाओ इसके क्वाड्रेटिक पॉलिनोमियल, दैट्स मीन एक ऐसा पॉलिनोमियल जिसकी हाईएस्ट पावर 2 होगी. सो एनीवन एबल, एनीवन नोस? कोई बच्चा बता सकता है कि भाई इसका आंसर क्या हो सकता है? एग्जाम्पल्स. The quadratic polynomial, that's mean the term which have highest power is 2, whose degree is 2.
2x
This is
square
the-
plus 9.
Right, it's a 2x square plus 9. It is a quadratic polynomial. Any other? Like a 3x square minus 4x plus 3. It's also a quadratic polynomial because the highest power is 2. Okay, highest power is 2. For that we can say that this is the quadratic polynomial. Let's some more example. 2 minus x square plus 3x is also a quadratic polynomial. Someone said like this is also a quadratic polynomial. 1 minus 2x square. Don't write 2 every time. 1 minus x square. It's also a quadratic polynomial. Clear the third definition? A polynomial whose highest degree is 2. Yeah, whose degree is 2, it's known as a quadratic polynomial. Now the third definition, and this is the last definition for today's, cubic polynomial. A polynomial whose highest degree, is 3, it's known as a cubic polynomial, and I will give you the example, not asked to you. It is a 3x square 4x cube minus 9. It is a cubic polynomial. You don't need to count the number of terms. You just focus on the power. And this is the power. And the highest power is 3. So it is known as a cubic polynomial. Last example. X cube minus 8 is also a cubic polynomial. So today we discussed the definition of the polynomial, degree of the polynomial, their type depend on the term, and their type depend on the degree. This thing we discussed the today's lecture. ભાઈ અહીં સુધીનું તમારી થિયરીની બુક્સની અંદર હોવું જોઈએ બધાને. I will provide you PPT, so don't need to worry about. એ જેટલું પણ ભણાયું છે બધું થિયરી બુકમાં લખી આવજો જ્યારે ફિઝિકલી મારી સામે આવો ત્યારે. અત્યારે કાંઈ નહીં માંગુ. All the students write all the thing in your theory book in proper manner, proper example. You can also add some more example for your side. Okay, and today I will stop here. Tomorrow we will meet. Then I will ask all the definition personally, randomly, one by one. So you must remember the definition of the polynomial, their degree, their type depend on the term, and their type depend on the degree. Okay. So today I think it's enough for today. Let's take present. So the electrical student ready for the present?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So electrical student, unmute yourself. Number 1,
Yes, ma'am.
number 2, number 3.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, number 4,
Yes, ma'am.
number 5,
Yes, ma'am.
and number 6. Number 7. Okay. Now the electrical student, you can move. You can attend the second session. Now the civil student, unmute yourself. The student,
electrical 1. 2.
electrical 2. Okay. Done. 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 Now the civil student, unmute yourself. Number 1. Number 2.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 3. Number 4. Number 5. Number 6. From the civil.
Yes, 6.
Okay. 7. Number 8.
Yes, ma'am. 8.
Okay. Number 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Number 10.
Yes, ma'am.
11.
Yes.
12.
Yes.
13. 14.
મેમ આગળ નથી.
Okay, okay. No, the civil student, you can leave. Now the chemical student, unmute yourself. Number 1.
Present.
Okay. Number 2. Number 3.
Present, ma'am.
Number 4.
Present, ma'am.
Number 5.
નથી કોઈ.
Number 6.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Number 7.
Present, ma'am.
Number 8. Number 9.
Present.
Number 10.
Present.
Okay. Number 11. 12. 13.
Present, ma'am.
13 number.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 14 number.
Yes, ma'am.
15.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 16. 17. 18. 19.
Yes, ma'am.
20. Which number? 19.
19. Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 19. 20. 20. Okay. 21. Okay. Anyone remaining
Ma'am, 22.
from chemical? Okay. Yes, yes, done. Have anyone student
11, ma'am.
remaining? 11 from?
Chemical.
Okay.
Ma'am,
હવે
chemical
કોઈ
8.
બાકી? ક્યાં chemical વાળા સુતા છો? 8 number done. હવે બીજું કોઈ?
તો ઘણા ને એટલે નથી થતા.
Okay. What?
Connection નથી થતું ઘણા ને.
Okay. And whose number is remaining? I didn't get your voice.
Ma'am, number 12 for chemical engineering.
Number
12.
12.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Done. Okay, no problem. If you have any connectivity problem, you just put your number in chat box. Okay, I will collect from there. Okay, today I will stop here. If you have any query, if you have any problem, if you have any doubt, then tell me. So today I'm stopping here. Have a good day. Have a enjoy.